Hi, this is Chris Thomas with Nozomi Networks. We're at RSA on Monday. We're just a couple of minutes before the event opens, and I'm here to give you a quick Nozomi demo. So what we have here is a setup where you can see a simulated factory that's producing widgets. Over here on this screen, the robot arm is moving back and forth, creating a product. That entire product is controlled by the center box there, which is a programmable logic controller, or PLC. It's sending commands to that robot arm, and it's creating that process that you see over there. What we have from Nozomi is a security sensor we call Guardian that is protecting this network. It's taking a copy of traffic from this environment, and it is monitoring and watching for anything anomalous. So right now that is looking good. Everything is normal. There's no concerns. We can see here in the Nozomi platform that we don't have any alerts currently. If I click here, you can see that's empty. I'm going to turn this over to live, and we're going to see how fast, when I start to inject malicious traffic into this environment, that the Nozomi tool kicks in. So I'm just going to walk over here. I'm going to simulate an attack. Boom. There we go. Now I've injected traffic into this environment, and I should see an alert pop up here shortly. One time here, there we go. That took up a few seconds. What you can see now is over on the screen, the process has been impacted. Our widgets are not being made properly anymore. Everything's kind of messed up there. And the reason being is we've injected, through a malicious third-party computer back here, we've injected random variable values. Normally this robot arm expects to see specific values to tell it to move forward or back. We've injected some malicious traffic that's going to impact that process. The box itself, the programmable logic controller, can't differentiate these commands from normal commands, so it is impacting our process. And as you can see here, we immediately picked this up, and if I scroll in, we can get details around the nature of this attack, what has happened, who we believe has initiated this traffic. So if I scroll down here, you can see that. We have a little map that says this little box here has attacked, with this red arrow, our PLC, and it has impacted our process. So that is how quickly the Nozomi Networks platform can detect and alert you on malicious behavior in your production network. Thank you.